Today's presentation is going to discuss the benefits and disadvantages of the online learning environment. Online learning is gaining in popularity. One major effect is the COVID-19 pandemic. Approximately 3.3% of children were homeschooled pre-pandemic, and the current rate is up to 11.1%. For the purposes of this presentation, we will assume that most, if not all, homeschooled children do need to do some form of online learning. Increasingly becoming more popular is earning a degree entirely online. There are many benefits to online learning, particularly at the college level. Typically, online college tuition is cheaper. It requires little or no reduction in full-time work hours, which for me personally is one of my advantages. I live in a two-income household, and reduction in hours is not an option. So the fact that I can work full-time and go to school full-time is a giant benefit. There is no need for a commute or relocation, and you have more time to focus on healthy habits and self-care, such as a routine or a diet or exercise. Other online benefits to schooling is it does reduce the risk of COVID-19 virus. You have lesser need for childcare since the children are already home, and it does increase your family time if you can work that out. You do have to increase your technology time and time management skills, which is one thing I did have to learn. There are a number of things that I had to learn to use for my online courses. But there are and can be some disadvantages. Not all students, whether they're school-age students or college-level students, can manage their time. Uh, this can lead to falling behind in classes and courses and not being able to catch back up. One personal downfall for myself is I don't have a quiet place to learn. My desk is my kitchen table, and that can be sometimes in the middle of a very chaotic scene. Studies have shown that students taking introductory English and math courses online are twice as likely to fail or not complete the course. This could be due to the lack of face-to-face interaction you do have with an instructor who maybe can't see or understand that you are struggling. It can have a negative effect on the younger students as well, and it can lead to a potential lack of academic intervention from the instructor. The other major disadvantage to online learning is there are some career paths that need that hands-on. The biggest one that comes to mind is nursing. The popularity of online learning has been on the rise before the pandemic, especially at the college level. More than 2,000 colleges and universities offer solely online degrees, and 30 states offered K through 12 online schooling, which is typically free. While they both have their advantages and disadvantages, it's really up to the student and those who support the student to discover which type of learning suits them best. Thank you for listening.